Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So what do you guys think about my makeup? Yeah, it's Valentine's. It's a Valentine's look. This is what I'll be wearing. I think it's pretty cute. Okay, so off from my makeup. Today's video is going to be my eyebrow tutorial. An eyebrow tutorial. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I fill in my eyebrows like I did today. So this is like my usual eyebrow routine. Unless I'm doing a natural eyebrow, I'll do another video on that some other time. So this is basically it. These are the eyebrows. Yeah, I think they look pretty nice. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. So yeah, let's get into the video. I dance with somebody. I just wanna dance with somebody. It could be anybody. Tell me how you got somebody. Don't matter who you are, just love me the way I just wanna dance with somebody. So the first thing I do is to prime my face with using my blacker primer as usual. This just keeps my makeup in place throughout the day, and I also concentrate it around my eyebrows. It works as an eyebrow gel for me so that my eyebrow hairs don't move throughout the day. So the first thing I do is comb my hairs using a spoolie. This is what a spoolie is. It's like the brush, the makeup brush that comes for your eyelashes, but I don't use it for my eyelashes because mascara already has a brush. So I use it for my eyebrows to blend out and also to comb those hairs. So ideally your eyebrow is supposed to start right here from like the edge of your nose, and the arch of your, or is it an arc, who knows, it's supposed to be from the edge of your nose through the edge of your pupil, like right here. I think I'm doing it right, like right there, right here. This is where your arch is supposed to be. If it's your first time doing your eyebrows, I'd advise you to mark them before you shape them. Actually, do the marking first, then do that. Then the eyebrow is supposed to go through right there and end right there. So after that, once you've already done the shaping and you know where your eyebrow is supposed to start, end, and all that, you pick your eyebrow pencil, and the first thing is to outline your eyebrows. When I say outlining, it's like drawing the outline of your eyebrows, just drawing the shape before you fill them in. So that, let me do that. I don't know, you guys, which eyebrow should I do? Let me do this one or this one. Let me do this one. That's the lower outline. That's the shape the eyebrow is going to. When you're drawing the top outline, you should just draw it, and you make sure towards the end it joins with the lower line. Yeah. And so that's basically the outline of your eyebrow. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah. So once you've done that, even before you fill in your eyebrows, just blend using this spoolie. Blend downwards and upwards. There, that's it. I know basically on some of the parts where you don't have hair, by this point they've already rubbed off, so you just go back in and fill that with the pencil. And you make sure you keep in mind your outline. Don't fill outside your outline, just fill within the outline, so that when you're cleaning up your eyebrows, the whole process will be a lot easier for you. There, that way. There, that's it. So right after that, once you've blended it out, if you feel like the eyebrow is okay, like the way it is like this, you can just go right ahead and clean it up. Personally, I just feel like around this area I need some dark eyeshadow. This eyeshadow palette comes in because I don't have an eyebrow powder, and this works just as well. So I pick the darker shade with an angled brush. You can see it's already dark already because I use this a lot. So I just pick that, pull off the excess, and then yeah, go back to doing that. So right after using that powder, the next thing I'm going to do is blend again. Like I've said before, I'm going to say again, blending is key. No matter what kind of makeup it is you're doing, your eyeshadow is key. You really need to blend. Blending is so important. So right after this, once I feel like my eyebrow looks okay, let me just add a bit more right there. Right after this, the next thing is to clean out your eyebrows. So to clean out my eyebrows, I usually use my foundation, my normal foundation, the Black Opal foundation stick, and I use my foundation stick in the color Truly Topaz. I pick a flat top brush, one that's stiff, not a fluffy one, just a flat top brush like that one, and I use that to clean out my eyebrows. And keep in mind the kind of shape you want when you're cleaning out your eyebrows, because this is the most important step, I'd say, right after filling in. This is so important. Keep in mind the shape it is you're going to do for your eyebrows. If possible, keep in mind the outline you used. You guys, doing brows on camera is so hard. You guys just have no idea how hard this is. Oh my god, did I just mess that up? No, it's okay, it's okay. And I just move the foundation towards my eyelid. And for cleaning up your eyebrows, you can use basically anything. You can use your foundation or your concealer, depending on you. For today, I just think I should use my foundation. There, that's the lower part. I think it's okay. Then off to the top part, just get more foundation on the brush and start cleaning up. I hope you guys can see. So right after placing the outline, oh my god, I just placed this too. Oh my god, I have to fix that. So right after placing the outline, I get this brush. This is just a fluffy brush. It looks like a crisp brush. Excuse me. And I use this to blend that foundation into the skin. Like I said, blending is key. I know I ruined my brow right here. I'm just going to fix that. So right after cleaning up my brow, you look at your brow, and then once you've cleaned it up is when you can see if there are any spaces you need to fill. If you've made any mistakes, you do the fixing of those mistakes. So I just pick that dark shade again. This one, not this one, this one. Or you can mix them depending on the brow, on your like hair color. My hair color is black, so I just use this dark one. It's not exactly black, it's like a grayish, blackish, and I use that to fill that part in. I just correct that. In my brow, I just use that color again to fill those in, because the color is darker than the eyebrow pencil. It's just a tad bit darker. It's not so dark. It's not so much darker than my eyebrow pencil, but you can see. And then you blend. And yeah, that's it for my eyebrows. I'm just gonna go do this other eyebrow off camera and I'll be back. So guys, this is the final look. These are my eyebrows. I know you guys can see my eyeshadow as well. I'm filming this on Valentine's and this is the eyeshadow I'll be wearing. I know it's cute. So right after finishing my other eyebrow, I set the foundation with this, my translucent powder, so that my foundation doesn't crease throughout the day. So yeah, that's basically it for your eyebrows. I know shaping your eyebrows, especially for a beginner, might be a challenge. So this is, I advise you to get a stencil. I don't know if this is a stencil, but this is the first one I got. You just hold it like this and then you just fill in your eyebrows. But I didn't really like this one, but it depends on you. You may like it, you may not. So explore options, research, and yeah. So don't forget to like, subscribe. Oh, I forgot to say that's it for this video. Oops. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and check out my other videos if you haven't. Right after this, I'm filming another video. It's gonna be a really interesting one. You guys need to look out for that one. And yeah, bye.